The low-cost spot BTF, that is the Bitcoin ETF backed by crypto specialists. Bullish Bitcoin bets rise as implied volatility slide. Some traders bought Bitcoin calls at strike $45,000 and $46,000 during Thursday U.S. trading hours, according to over-the-counter institutional cryptocurrency trading network. All right, welcome to the show again. This is Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and welcome to the show again. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe right here, like and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can always be the first person to get the video or the content when we drop it. And speaking of content, I have dropped I've been dropping some some educational content talking about learning how to trade, and this is mastering forex and cryptocurrency in trading. So you guys can just watch out for that, because I'll be dropping that time to time so you can learn how to trade even though you do not know how to trade. And there are so much videos for you to learn from over here on YouTube, and you might just want to learn from the chart analysis to some breaking news and all of that we have on the channel. And if you've not subscribed to our social media handles, you might want to do that right now. You can follow us on X, on Thread, on Instagram, on TikTok, and as well on our Facebook page. All right, thanks for joining me, and let's go right into the show. You understand? Right now we can see the BTC, the Bitcoin market, is trading at 41,167. 41,167. So what are we going to be expecting, or what is going to happen? Stick to the show. I'm going to analyze the chart, and I'm definitely going to let you guys know if you should buy or not, or if you should hold on to your trade if you have a trade already. But now let's move on to the main thing of the day, which is checking the market cap. That's the first thing we normally do. And now when you look at the market cap is sitting at 1,712,812,153,014 That is what the market cap of the total cryptocurrency is sitting on right now. And the total trading volume in the last 24 hours amounted to above 68 billion US dollars. And we can see the network that is trending. We have the Manta network is trending, the Pit network is trending, and we have the Firo network trending. The large gainers is API3, Karat Combat, and DIA. So you might want to check all those things out. Then let's check our top 10 cryptocurrency right now. We have Bitcoin at number 1. We have Ethereum at number 2. We have Ethereum at number 2. We have Theta at number 3. We have BNB at number 4. We have Solana at number 5. XRP at number 6. We have USDC at number 7, Lido Stake Theta at number 8, and we have USDC at number 9, and USDC at number 7, Theta at number 8, Cardano at number 9, and we have Avalanche now in top 10, while Link and what is now in number 10. We have Dogecoin at number 11, Tron at number 12. So you can see right now those are the top 10 cryptocurrency right now, and you might just want to look at that. But before you join any cryptocurrency or any whatever, make sure you do your own research. Before you jump onto any cryptocurrency, please. Okay, make sure you do your own research. So that is that about the market cap. Let's check our sister side and see what is really going on over there too. We can see on the sister side, we still have the top 10, almost the same thing, when it comes to what? When it comes to the top 10, we have BTC at number 1, we have number 2 Ethereum, number 3 Tether, number 4 BNB, number 5 Solana, number 6 XRP, number 7 USDC, number 8 Cardano, number 9 Dogecoin, and number 10 Avalanche. You can see the difference between Dogecoin and Avalanche. On CoinGecko over here, Avalanche is ahead of what? Ahead of Dogecoin. But when you look at on crypto coin market cap, you can see Dogecoin is ahead of Avalanche. Okay, now I've refreshed CoinGecko 2. We can now see Dogecoin is ahead of Avalanche. So let's check what is happening in the news today. We can see we don't really have much news to expect today. Nothing at all to expect today. So the market might just be following the normal trading plan, talking about the technical analysis, because there is no fundamental news to kind of influence the market today. You understand? So, but throughout the week, we're going to have some good information. As you can see, so much important, high impact events will be happening throughout the week. So I believe we're going to see the market going crazy, and that's why you don't want to miss the show, because definitely I'm going to be discussing about all these events that's going to be happening, and we're going to be talking about how they're going to affect the market, or how you can take advantage of them when the news drop. And talking about when the news drop, let's check out some news and what is going on in the market. We can see that Ethereum remain the dominant blockchain for developer, according to reports that it has been presented that ETH remain dominant for blockchain developer. And if that is what a lot of blockchain developer want to use, I bet you definitely Ethereum is going to do well. We just need to be patient. I believe it's going to do well in the nearest future, because if a lot of people want to use something, definitely that thing has got something great happening. And we're going to look at the BTC charts shortly, where we're going to talk about if we should hold on to our buy, if we should sell, or if we should stay out of the market. Also, we can see that over 50% of token listed on CoinGecko since 2014 have died. That is what I'm telling you, and this is what I always share on this show, because this show is all about giving good and quality information. I told you guys that before you get into any of these tokens, and if you're lucky and you get into any of these tokens and you made money, please cash out your money. Please cash out your money, because if you don't, they're just going to sell off and they're going to use it to cash out. So you need to learn how to cash out when you're investing in all these, excuse my word, shit coins, because they don't have any utility tag to them, not AI driven project, no, it's not even a meme coin that I would say people are using it for cruise. It's just a project some set of people just create to kind of scam people out of it. You can see 50% of projects that have been listed have now died. So crypto is very, 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 very risky. You need to be careful, and that's why you need to subscribe to a channel like this, where you get all the juicy information, get everything we'll be sharing to you on this platform. Let's take a look at another news. We can see ChatGPT, we know the AI, analyzes if Cardano could surpass $1 this year. I believe Cardano is going to pass that, because Cardano, too, a lot of things they've been doing, talking about the developer implementing some new integration and all of that. So I believe all these coins are going to do well, and this is advantage for people that don't have them to kind of get into them. It's not a financial advice, just sharing what I know, and it's for educational purpose and entertainment. Please do your own research before you invest on any token, on any coin. Dogecoin explodes 8% daily. Bitcoin continues to trade sideways. We can see what happened in Bitcoin now, and we're definitely going to take a look at the chart. Morgan Stanley warns that in crypto could impact US dollar leadership, so we need to watch out for that. Let's take out some news making headlines over here again. Dogecoin flocky bullish bet rise on X payment speculations. There's been these speculations that probably X will start, and we know the owner of X invested in Dogecoin way back when he tweeted that he got some dogs, or some Doge as they call it, for his kid, you understand? So people believe he's still holding on to those assets, and he might want to give it a value by using it to be what they'll be using to pay out people on X, which is formerly Twitter. So people are waiting on to that, and we can see Dogecoin explode anytime. Terraform Lab declares bankruptcy. We know what happened to Terra Lab last year when Luna crashed from about $100 to zero. That's like to nothing. You understand? We all got that last year, and we can see why Indonesia upcoming election could make or break the country vibrant crypto sector. So that's what I have for you on the news today. So now let's dive into the chart and see what we are going to get out of the chart analysis. If you look at my the chart analysis right now, or you look at the screen, you can see BTC is trading at $41,090, and we saw a massive drop over early hours of this morning, talking about from 0 GMT, that is 22nd of January, and the market dropped down to about 40,689. So what do we need to do, guys? This is what we need to do. We all know that from when we tested 49,000 after the ETF was approved, the Bitcoin has been falling since then. Do you understand? The Bitcoin has been falling since then, and it's been creating different support zone. Now we have the first support zone around 47,000 down to, now we have another support zone right here at 43,500. Now we don't know if we're still going to break this down, because we have this the resistance zone, excuse me. We have the resistance zone above all those things. Then we have a good support that we've seen market gone above it and been failing to break it. And this is the third time we're testing the zone. You can see we tested the zone around this point. You can see we tested it here. That is on the 11th of December. Also, we tested the zone, that's the 40,000 zone, on the 4th of January. And now we tested the zone again on what? On the 19th of January. So this is becoming a strong support for BTC. So I feel like 40,000 is now becoming like a benchmark for BTC right now. So what do we need to do as a trader? It's very simple, guys. What we just need to do is to analyze the market and flow with it. So what will I be doing today as a day trader? I already know where all my resistance are. I know I can still trade or still make some money before I get to all those resistance. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use what I normally call LIFO, last in, first out. And now if you look at the chart right here, we had spike. You understand? On the 19th, we had spike, which is 1, 2, 3. So this spike was supposed to push the market above if we failed to break 1, 2. Then we broke the number 2, but indirectly they turned it to spike again, which is now 1, 2, 3. Then the moment they turned this to spike, I was expecting us to have our 4 around this point. They will continue moving on to validate this 3 spikes, but they decided to turn it to 3 spikes again. And whenever you have a 3 spikes, you just need to measure from wherever the market is coming from, so you know or you understand where you need to get into the market. And now you can see right here that the market has already tested where we even supposed to get to the market, which is 40,600 to 40,200. And the market has already spiked the zone. So what will I be looking at today? Yes, we don't have a buy direction yet. The buy direction we had yesterday when we had the spike, or 2 days ago, is been invalidated. But right now we have another buy signal, but it's not yet the direction. And whenever you have a buy signal as a trader, is just to go to the lower time frame and look for an entry. You understand? Look for an entry, and you can see over where we have the buy signal, over here, this is where we have the buy signal. This is where we have the buy signal. Then when we go to lower time frame, you're going to see we've created just a movement. We've not broken the structure. So when do we need to get into the market right now? We need to get into the market if the market should break 41,300, which I believe is going to do that. If the market should break 41,300, it's going to be a good buy because we already have a buy signal. Then we're having a structure that is showing us that, yes, this is the confirmation that is going to be a buy. Do you understand? So I feel like right now we should just be looking for buy, or else we'll see the market not breaking that zone, which is the 41.3 whatever. If market is not breaking it and start coming down, but that's what we believe the sell is still in continuation. But right now I just feel like we're gonna wait and see if this lower time frame. Let me show you again. We're gonna wait if this lower time frame is going to do what? Is going to break. That is around 41,300. Once we break that zone, I think we have a clear buy. You understand? Not the direction, but a clear buy. Then we can just, take the profit when it gives us about 500 point or 300 point, then wait to get the direction. Then the moment we have the direction, then we can know we're always looking for buy. So right now, what is BTC? BTC is still on the sell, but I believe probably we're gonna have a buy if we break this zone. Once we break this zone, it becomes a buy because we have a buy signal already, but we don't have buy as a direction. Do you understand? So we can just scale it up and be looking for buy for now. And for not to miss out on whatever that is going on the show, you might want to go to the description on the YouTube channel, or you can comment on the on X, and probably you can go to the YouTube channel, and subscribe to all those links where you can join our communities, free educations and all of that. We do free training every night. That's what I said I have to share with you. There's free training every night now, and I'm dropping the video after the training on YouTube. So you have a lot to gain from this channel, and you do not want to miss out. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. You might want to go to CryptoBin101 on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell if you're listening to me from X right now. So that's what I have for you on the chart analysis. Until we break this zone, that's when we now have a confirmed buy. If we don't break it, that means the sell continues. But let's watch and see what happens. So that's what BTC is all about today. Let's now go to the normal thing we do every day, knowing the fear and greed. And the fear and greed index is sitting at 55%. So it's still greed, you understand? Not extreme greed anymore. Thank God for that. But right now we have we have greed, you understand? It's still greed. So some people might still be taking profit, and that's why we see the market is not actually moving upward. But remember, we've got so much resistance now. So more, we have two resistance now. We have one major support. If you break the major support, definitely I'll be expecting BTC down to around 30 something, maybe 33K thereabout. But if we fail to break the support, which is 40,000, we now have to fight to break the resistance that we have at 47,000 and 40. We have those resistance at what I showed you just now. Let me show you again. We have them at 47,000 and 43,500. Those are places we have the resistance now. But for you not to miss out, not to get confused, always tune in. If you're on X, always tune in every morning to Breakfast and Bitcoin show, because I always talk about the chart. And make sure you go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because every afternoon before the New Year section, I'll be analyzing the chart also. And please, you can comment in the comment section on YouTube, and on X, you can just comment also and tell me what coins you guys want me to look into during the New York sessions. Then we can all dive into that and analyze the market together. So that's what I have to share with you today on the show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. My name still remains the same. I'm Medolad Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is CryptoBin101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. Until I catch you next time, peace out.